If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played.
Hey warrior, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Usiku Warrior, aka Usiku Beauty, aka One Boy, One Bezo, whatever you want to call me. That's me. Not a little that's so Raven moment there. Also ignore this painting that I haven't finished. I've been working on this for a while. The hair's intimidating me, so she's just gonna be clear-headed. For today's video, we're going to be creating a super chill makeup look, just a very clean girl aesthetic for my chocolate babes out there. Something to kind of make me look put together, but I didn't even try. And I hope you enjoy it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. One of the key components to achieving the clean girl look is looking flawless, like skincare per se. However, that's not always the case. Okay, I've got some discoloration, I've got some scarring because I be popping my pimples even though I'm not supposed to. That's literally what I did to this one. It was like one of those under ones and I still started like poking at it and it just got inflamed and now it's irritated and it looks like a little mountain. That's okay. So don't be discouraged to try to pull it off if your skin isn't flawless. The whole point is to kind of create the illusion. All makeup is the illusion anyways. So you want to start off with a clean face, which is what I'm starting off with. I did moisturize my face and did all that great jazz. That way my skin is still good underneath. And now I am going to go ahead and start with my primer. So primer is gonna be your bestie. I'm using the Skin Quench Primer by Milani. It is a hydrating and blurring primer. It blurs imperfections. It's perfect for all skin tones and it actually extends your makeup. Get you one of these. You can hear the birds outside, that's funny. So you want to use a good amount. I rub my fingers together and then I just apply it on my face. I'm really going to try to also apply underneath my eye because I'm going to be using concealer and I want something for it to like grip onto. One of the ingredients in this primer is hyaluronic acid, which is really good to draw moisture out of the air, like because there's water everywhere. So it draws moisture from things around us, the air, the plants, into your skin. So that's a really good thing that you want to have in your skincare, and it's even better when it's in your primer makeup as well. Okay, so then you're gonna go in with your foundation. Let me tell y'all, this right here has been one of my favorite drugstore foundation, and honestly, I swear by this one, the CoverGirl Outlast foundation, and I've got it in the color 880, otherwise cappuccino. It is a primer, concealer, and foundation all in one. And this foundation is really good for this makeup look because it still has like a skin-like finish to it. It's not too cakey. And using a damp beauty blender, make sure that you're not putting too much product on your face, and then it kind of like neutralizes it. I don't know if neutralize is the right term. And I am going to put it all up on my eyeball. Anywhere I've got skin on my face, it's gonna put it on. I'm just gonna tap it in. Tap I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in number 9. Love this concealer. I know some people don't really like it because it's it has a very runny consistency, but I think that's perfect for this look because we don't want anything too full coverage. As well as up here. Boom. One of the fun things about makeup is trying different techniques to apply product. Before, I would have used a sponge and kind of just like blended it in, but actually I've been using just a very light, fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend my concealer. Like, look how loose that is. Perfect for exactly what we're about to do. Because what it does is it just moves the product where you want it, and it's a lot easier for you to kind of like manipulate and know where you're gonna put it. So I'm using it and I'm just dabbing it into place and then taking it up here as well and kind of just like moving it down, move it up. With the leftover, I'm gonna just add it to my chin and on my nose. Right in the center like that. Now we're gonna go in with our beauty blender, and using the side that we use for our foundation, we're just going to blot it together and blend those in. That way it's a little bit more seamless, like that. And this harsh contour right here, same thing. Tap that baby. And again, using the flat side, I'm gonna pick up any extra concealer. I do have a lot over here. I'm just gonna pick up any extra that I didn't use and kind of move it into my eye. Like that. Going back to this side, I'm gonna finish that blending. You know, rotate between this side and this side, back and forth, until you get your desired color. Yes, yes, yes! We've got a good little base going on. I'm actually, I forgot my powder. So I'm gonna go grab my powder real quick, BRB. Our eyebrows. So before I go ahead and start working on my eyebrows, I wanna set that under eye, and I'm going in with my Laurel Mercier in the color Translucent Honey. Love this product. So I did also pick up another beauty. I have like 5 of these, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. When it's damp, it doubles in size, as you can see here. This one is the dry one. Use the dry one to pick up the powder and tap it into position. Just tapping. I'm just gonna bring it down and then I'm gonna let it sit. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on our eyebrows while that is sitting and setting. So I'm going to be using 2 different products. The first one is my favorite go-to eyebrow pencil by Rimmel London. I've got this in the color brown black or black brown. This right here for my dark skin babies is the go-to. It's literally goated. Love this product. It has a very nice matte finish, which I'm obsessed with. And then I'm also going to be using my NYX Lift Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and this is in the color black. You can get both of these at an Ulta. Honestly, I found these at a, I don't remember what kind of store it was. Almost like an Albertsons. They don't have any out here, so I bought like 5 last time when I was when I found them. So I have them stocked up, but I haven't been able to find any out here. And then I don't have the little brush that comes with it. It does come with the brush. I don't have one right now. I think it's in the bathroom, and I'm not going back over there. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to kind of draw the lines of my eyebrows. Usually for like a beat face, I would like make a super crazy arch. Not doing all of that. I'm just going to draw it out, and I kind of want it thick. I'm gonna just draw little hairs. I'm gonna get nice and close and personal for you. And the other. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Swear by this. This is numero 35. And then don't get crazy. I like to use a lip brush to do my eyebrows, especially when it comes to like cleaning it up. But I guess this is no, I'm a liar. This is a concealer brush. Whoopsies. It's looking a little bushy. It's giving caveman. It's giving that caveman they found from Phil of the Future. If you know what that show is about, you're goated. What I'm gonna do is, maybe I'm gonna try to pretend to draw like some lines. Oh my God. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, we're just gonna, you know what we're finna do? We're finna give me a slit. But I'm gonna create a little slit with a concealer, because what I'm not gonna do is go out in public with eyebrows I don't like. thought I was finna be out here looking stupid. Yeah, I'll clean that up real nice. Fight with somebody else, not me. I'm actually using my blush brush to brush it off because I think it's gonna give me a nice red finish, which, you know, you wanna look nice and cute. I'm just gonna buff all of that product out. And because this is my blush brush, me, I'm Kenyan. So anytime the L and the R are in the same sentence, because I don't think we've got the letter L in our language. So blush brush, tongue twister. That is a tongue twister. And I'm just gonna brush it over the whole eyelid. This is really pretty. And then also kind of like create a wing, but that's it. For the eyes, that's all we're doing. We're gonna add mascara later. My blush, I have been obsessed with this cream blush by Milani. It looks like this. I've been using a brush to pick it up, and this is in the color Cheek Kiss or Malo Moment. It's number 140. Run to your closest Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, wherever. Get you one of these if you're a nice, you know, dark-skinned girl like me. And what I've been doing is I've been using just a little foundation brush. This is a gift from one of my students. I'm just picking it up. I'm making a lot of noise over there. Picking it up like so. I usually use this brush to kind of like buff out my contour as well. So that's why this looks a little bit brown, but that's because I'm brown. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I am applying the blush at the temple, like right here. See that? To set it, we are setting with our bronzer. So I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzer palette, and this is in the color Dark. Going back to that blush from the beginning, the brush that I used to brush off the powder, that's what I'm using. And I'm just gonna tap it in. This bronzer comes off very red on me, which is why I'm gonna use it as a blush. And I'm just literally just applying it exactly where I put the other products, the blush product. My brow pencil, the one that I told you I live by, I am lining my lips. Like that and like so. You can use any lip gloss you want. I'm using this lip gloss from my beauty supply store. It is just a generic beauty supply store lip gloss. And I'm just gonna add that baby onto my lips. It look good, don't it? It look good, don't it? We look good. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a really good time just vibing, doing my makeup, you know, and just kind of hanging out with y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. Let everybody know how good we be looking, okay? Anyways, just remember, peace and love makes the world go round. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.